Hello everyone, this is Jordan Ostrold from UC Workspace, and welcome to our video on how to send an email when a resource changes in Quicklaunch. This video will discuss what resources are in Quicklaunch and how to send an email when a resource changes or is unavailable. To begin, enter the Quicklaunch settings by clicking Ctrl-Alt-S on your keyboard or by clicking the gear icon located in the upper right of the Quicklaunch interface. After entering settings, select the System setting group followed by the Monitors tab. Quicklaunch monitors CPU, keyboards, memory, mice, microphones, network, speakers, storage, and cameras. Under each of the different monitored resources, you are able to adjust how often each resource is checked, when each resource monitor will turn yellow for warning, and when each resource monitor will turn red for critical. Under this screen, you can select which resources Quicklaunch monitors. After enabling or disabling Quicklaunch resource monitors, you will want to move to the Events tab under the System Setting group. Once under this tab, you'll want to hit the plus icon and search for the Send Email and then click Select. You are then able to select one of the three event types for resource monitoring, which include Resource Warning, Resource Available, and Resource Unavailable. After selecting the event type, you'll want to enter the target email where the email will be sent. You will then enter the subject of the email optionally with arguments, which for me will be Quicklaunch Resource Unavailable. You will then enter the subject body for the email optionally with arguments. The Do Not Prompt radio button will not prompt to confirm the email sending on resource status change. Enabling Leave Quicklaunch in full screen will ensure that Quicklaunch will not be forced into dock mode on resource status change. I will now unplug my camera's webcam, which should trigger a resource status change within a 30-second interval. I will now open the email I used when setting up resource status change email. As you see, my email has arrived and the subject and body of the email are exactly as I set them up in settings. Thank you very much for viewing our video on how to send an email on resource status change. Be sure to visit our website to learn more about the award-winning software Quicklaunch at ucworkspace.com. We would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel to always stay up to date with Quicklaunch news and updates. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn at UC Workspace. I've been Jordan Ostrold, and I hope to hear from you again soon. Goodbye.